Tips on how to invest in the stock market. When most people think of the stock market, they instantly think of the possibility of making money from investments. The stock market does offer the opportunity for financial gain, but only if you play the market correctly. The following video will give you information on how to invest in the market correctly. It may seem counterintuitive, but the best time to buy your investments is when they have fallen in value. Buy low/sell high is not a worn-out adage. It is the way to success and prosperity. Do your due diligence to find sound investment candidates, but don't let fear keep you from buying when the market is down. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types, common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. Save money by trading online. Search online for firms that offer cheap stock trading. Quite often, their fees are much lower than traditional brokerage firms. A regular broker will usually charge a high commission, just to make a simple stock trade on your behalf. If possible, try to pay between $7 and $10 per trade. Be prepared to wait it out. When you are investing in stocks, be prepared to leave them alone for a minimum of 5 years. Make sure that you are able to manage without that money, as it is the only way you will see a good profit. If the market starts to do poorly, try to remain level-headed, and understand that just as the market goes down, it will rebound, but it takes time. As stated before, people think of the stock market as a chance at lots of money through buying and selling stocks. Money can be made through the market, if you follow the rules of the market and invest correctly. Use the information from this video and you can reap your own financial gain from the market. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.